If the universe is expanding, then why are the Milky Way and Andromeda heading directly for each other? Space itself is stretching, and that is why distant galaxies normally move further away from each other and further away from us. But gravity can overpower expansion locally. The Milky Way and the Andromeda are close enough and large enough that their gravity is stronger than the effect of cosmic expansion between them. It's the same sort of thing that happens with galaxies. Gravity holds local structures together even while the universe expands around them. So we were told that the Milky Way and Andromeda were destined to collide. New simulations suggest that maybe not. Scientists used to think that it was basically certain, but newer Hubble-based simulations suggest that the outcome is actually uncertain. There may actually be roughly a 50-50 chance that the Milky Way and Andromeda will eventually merge. Some simulations showing them passing each other and remaining separate for a very long time. There's even a small chance of a direct collision within the next 4 to 5 billion years. So we won't know about it, but someone might. If the merge happens, there are some interesting possibilities. Andromeda would gradually get bigger in our sky. The two galaxies might begin stretching and warping each other. They could pass through each other. Star formation could go absolutely wild. You would see all these new stars forming everywhere. The galaxies might swing apart and then come back. Eventually, if the merge completes, the two spiral galaxies would become one much larger, more rounded elliptical galaxy. And there's potentially a third galaxy involved, the Triangulum galaxy, which may actually join the interaction eventually as well, which kind of makes the whole thing even more complicated and turns it into a little bit of a three-galaxy gravitational disaster party. The visuals are honestly incredible. NASA has simulations showing Andromeda growing across the night sky and the Milky Way becoming warped, the galaxies passing through each other and eventually forming one enormous elliptical galaxy. You should check out the simulations.